With the name of Allah, the most affectionate and the merciful. Dear students, I am Mehran Ali and you are watching Mehran TV. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful novel's summary, The Strange Man, written by Ismat Chughtai. This novel's summary today I am going to present. So let's start it. Chapter 1, The Strange Man. Dharamdev is introduced as an attractive, successful director and protagonist of this novel. He became famous by adding Western dance style in his film named Bali. In the age of Ashok Kumar, film industry was a source of knowledge, education and reform of society. At that time it was very hard to be a star. After many films and hard work, a hero was able to be a star, as for example Kumar. But now actor become star just making a single film. In past, film was a source of education, but now just sexual appeal and a source of entertainment. In past, there was a few studios, so a little movies were made in a year. There should be a year, not years. But with time, transition came and many actors made their own personal studios and number of film production increased. At studio there was a place where everyone sits in his spare time and talk with others. Directors, producers and singers all were sitting there or are sitting there and talking about Geeta, Dharamdev and other actors and singers who are performing or who are making a movie or a film. One of them said that Dharamdev has a very loose heart. Whenever he sees a new beautiful girl, he falls in love with her. His favor of love goes abruptly upward and downward. But Mangla is a singer for whom his fever of love never goes down. Bali's shooting was in process. Dharam at that time was an assistant director. He was responsible for every mistake even performed by actor or director. At that time he was needy of sport and love, so he proposed Mangla and decided to marry after the release of Bali film. But after the hit release of Bali, he became famous. The success of film was credited to Dharamdev. Now he has a lot of films. Now he began ignoring Mangla. Mangla's parents, who were not in favor of their daughter's marriage with Dharam, now changed their decision, but Dharam gives less importance to them and Mangla. Rita, a very talented young and crazy girl, came in film industry through shortcut way. Varmaji was a famous director in those days, so he got from Rita what he wanted and gave her what she wanted. She became famous very soon. Varmaji had given her an apartment and also used to sleep there with her. History of Rita is that she was crazy for acting, but she was not as beautiful as industry demands. In her craze, she went so far and left her parents behind. But now, when she became a star, her family arrived there and decided to live with her in her apartment given by Mr. Director Family raised very questions due to which a quarrel arose between Varmaji and Rita. Varmaji got back all advantages which he had given to Rita, including that apartment. Now Rita went towards Dharamdev and he helps her by giving her a new apartment. Keshu is much loyal friend of Dharamdev. Keshu supports him in every matter. He left not even a single opportunity to get praise from him. Therefore, Dharam also very much respects him. At the end of this chapter, when Dharam was busy and could not met Mangala, then Keshu goes towards her and settles the matter very cunningly. This was the summary of first chapter of the novel The Strange Man by Ismat Chughtai. This novel contains 13 chapters, and by I will try my best to upload all the other chapters as soon as possible. So dear students, this was the summary. I hope you like it, you have understood it well. So subscribe my channel, like, share and comment and subscribe. If you have any confusion and if you have any opinion about this novel, then you can comment in comment box. Thanks for watching.